Hi, my name is Maria Robertos, and I'm the Director of Students in the Faculty of Law. I hope you are enjoying your law studies this session. However, life happens and sometimes study is the last thing on your mind. In this video, I want to briefly outline the ways that we, the university and the faculty, might be able to help you if you experience difficulties while studying at UTS Law. The links to the services I refer to will be made available. If stress, more serious mental and/or physical health issues are impacting your academic performance, please reach out to UTS Counselling. It's free and it's confidential. For ongoing mental or physical health issues, the UTS Accessibility Service might be able to help you. This service assists you to access various university support services. It can help you make requests for assessment arrangements and reasonable adjustments to help you better participate in your studies. They can also help you with access to subject materials in alternative formats. Also, sometimes it might be a good idea to reduce your study load. If you're struggling early in the session, consider dropping a subject. However, you should note that to withdraw from a subject without financial or academic penalty, you must withdraw by the census date. If you withdraw from a subject after the census date, you can apply for remission of fees and no academic penalty, but you must establish special circumstances and provide supporting documentation. The census date varies depending on the session in which you are enrolled. You can find the census date for sessions in the UTS Handbook or Google UTS Academic Dates. Some of you might have significant carer responsibilities. The Faculty Academic Liaison Officer, Ellen Rock, can help you balance these responsibilities with your studies. Ellen can liaise with you and the subject coordinator in relation to any assessment adjustments that might be required. Throughout the session, you should carefully monitor announcements via Canvas as well as your student email address. That is how teaching and administrative staff will communicate important information with you about your subjects. Checking Canvas will be easier if you download the Canvas app and make sure that you do not turn off email notifications. If you are struggling to meet the due date for an assessment task because of health difficulties such as COVID or other special circumstances, you might also be able to apply for an extension for the due date of an assessment task. Applications for less than 1 week are done at the faculty level. For extensions beyond 1 week, follow the process for an application for special consideration. Make sure you apply for an extension before the assessment is due. Information about extensions at the faculty level is available under the Current Students tab on the UTS Faculty of Law webpage. Read the requirements carefully and supply the supporting documentation requested. Finally, there is me, the Director of Students. I look after coursework administration matters such as study progression, academic caution or exclusion, complaints and appeals. In my role, I am also here to help you with issues relating to your subjects or your course, or more general difficulties with your law studies. If you want to talk about any of these services, how you're feeling, or perhaps seek study plan advice, contact me and we can meet. My email address is maria.uts@uts.edu.au. There is a lot of important information in this video. However, my most important tip is, if things start going pear-shaped for you, it might be your physical or mental health, it might be difficulties for people close to you, it could be unexpected caring responsibilities. Reach out for help straight away. Please don't suffer in silence. And please don't wait until the end of session or when you have missed due dates for your assessment. It could be too late. So please, if you're feeling stressed, perhaps overwhelmed, speak up and reach out. We will do our best to help you. If you don't know where to go, contact me and I will help you.